Alright, let's get some plants out of our growing container here. And let's see how we're doing. Now I'm going to put these directly into Miracle-Gro. That one's okay. So we've started roots on these. Pretty good roots. Not bad. And we'll put them directly into Miracle-Gro. And don't let me lose you, I'm going to show you some plants that I've had in Miracle-Gro. And I'll do a follow-up video in the fall when these are all done growing. Show you how well they do from the start in the Miracle-Gro. I kind of noticed my cuttings, I used to use my wife's old Miracle-Gro. And after I did that, I noticed my cuttings were doing really good. So let me just show you where we're at this year with our hydrangeas potted in Miracle-Gro potting soil. And this was one here. And you can see this is the first year growth. And all the rest of this is the second year growth. That's pretty good. Let me show you this one here. This one is doing amazing. And you can see the first year's growth. That's when we had it in the propagation container. And the rest of this is second year growth. Pretty amazing plant. And I'll show you one that wasn't put in Miracle-Gro. Let me get you a better view of that. That is, and we still have over 2 months of the year growing time. So this is probably a month and a half in. It's a big plant. Same thing with this one. It's doing really good. Now let's show you one that wasn't put in Miracle-Gro. It's just regular soil from the ground. And you can see the first year's right here. These older ones are second year. And the rest of it's a third year. So this plant has been in the ground for 3 years. 1 year propagating, 2 years growing. It's not nearly as advanced as the Miracle-Gro ones. It's not doing as good. And that's just poor soil. But I want to tell you the Miracle-Gro makes a big difference. And for us home gardeners, it's an expense. But if you're just doing a couple of plants and you're not mixing your own mix, and you want to buy an easy potting mix to use, I'm having great success with the Miracle-Gro with my propagated hydrangeas. And I will do a follow-up video in the fall when these are all done growing through the entire year. And we still have 2 months left. Same thing here. You can see they just don't do as good unless you have a nice potting soil to put them in. Again, these are 3 years old, the ones I'm showing you now. Just, it's night and day. Night and day.